Hello people, and how are you doing today? So in today's video I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite smoothie recipe. This particular smoothie recipe is loaded with nutrients, vitamins and minerals. It contains powerful antioxidants. It contains high amounts of fiber that will keep you full while cleansing your system, thereby helping you lose weight. It contains rich amounts of vitamin C that aids in a glowing skin. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. And please remember to give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy. The first ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is mango. This is a medium-sized mango. You can use any type of mango you have. Mangoes are low in calories, but they are yet high in nutrients. It contains vitamin C, which aids immunity and improves the skin. It is high in antioxidants. It aids digestion. It helps you glow. Eating mango helps increase your iron level and calcium level. So this is the first ingredient we'll be using for this recipe. The second ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is tiger nut milk. Tiger nut milk are high in nutrients. They aid digestion, they improve heart health, they boost your immunity, they help fight infection, and it contains high amounts of magnesium and potassium. We're using half glass of tiger nut milk for this recipe. The third ingredient we'll be using for is avocado. Avocado is very nutritious. It contains more potassium than banana. It is loaded with fibers that help keep you full while cleansing your system at the same time. So we are going to peel off the back of the avocado and use the flesh inside. So I've finished cutting the avocado. I peeled off the skin of the avocado and this is the flesh inside. So I finished peeling it and this is what it looks like. So let's blend. So it's time to blend. The first ingredient we'll be putting in our blender is our mango. The mango is actually frozen. We'll put our mango and we'll add our tiger nut milk. A half cup of tiger nut milk. Then avocado. Then it's time to blend. So after blending it into a very fine and smooth consistency, it's now ready to drink. Oh, look at this goodness. Looking so creamy, so yummy. I wish you can have a taste of this. You know, this smoothie, there are some days when you're in a diet plan, there are some days you just wake up and you're craving for ice cream. This particular smoothie will do the trick. Just prepare it, freeze it for 6 to 8 hours, and you have your healthy ice cream. So you can drink it without guilt because you know you're taking a healthy ice cream. So please ensure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. Also, please try out this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Take care. Bye.